Hey, all you can do DIYers. Today's impromptu episode is how to toss food in a pan when you're sauteing veggies. I know chefs make it look super easy and, well, because it actually is really easy. So I'm gonna show you how to do it so that you look super badass in the kitchen and like you've been cooking forever. So I happen to already be sauteing what's called a mirepoix, and that is the base to a lot of different recipes, soups, sauces, all that kind of good stuff. A mirepoix is onions, celery, and carrots, and there is a specific ratio. Onions is 50%, then celery is 25%, and carrots are 25%. So whatever your kind of measurements are, make sure that it's in that ratio, and that's like a specific mirepoix. Now, in a saute pan, to toss what your food is cooking, it's pretty much to get what's on the bottom to flip over and what's on the top to go down below and really rotate so everything cooks evenly. Use the weight of the pan, and you actually want to throw the pan out and back in. Even though you think that it's tossing and that it's flipping, that you want to go up, that's not how it works. You actually want to go out and in. Did you see that? It's pretty cool, right? Now, this is a bigger pan, so I'm using both hands to do it. Otherwise, if you have a smaller pan, you can use whatever your dominant hand or feel comfortable is, your left or your right, or both like this. A lot of times, yes, you can just use a spatula, or you can just use tongs, and you can toss stuff around. But why now when you have the ability to flip and toss, like I said, a professional chef? So again, it is out and back, 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 and then you did it. Awesome. I hope you've learned something fun with this cute little trick on how to be a chef and how to toss food in a pan. And like the video, subscribe it, and we will see you next episode on All You Can Do DIY. All right. Who's your daddy now, mirepoix? Okay. Amazing. Okay. Steak is because they take and the power